The following video is suitable for all audiences. Minors do projects under adult supervision.
Hello everyone, this video is different from my usual DIY videos. Here I have made Bhut Jholokia pickle. So for further details you can definitely check my instructables. As usual I have uploaded the details. So let's get started.
These are the ingredients needed: 250 gram Bhut Jholokia, half teaspoon ground fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoon juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon ground mustard seeds, half teaspoon powdered turmeric, 1 cup mustard oil, black cumin seeds kalonji half tablespoon. Equipments needed: safety glasses, rubber gloves, kitchen scissors, glass bowl and a preserving jar. First you have to clean and then disinfect the canning jar with hot water. Wash and pat dry the Bhut Jholokia. Remember to wear rubber gloves and safety glasses as a precaution. Remove the stalk and cut up the chilies in 5 mm thickness or just an approximate measurement. Remove the seeds if you want. Then add 1 tablespoon salt and mix it well in a glass bowl and leave it aside for an hour. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, heat the mustard oil till smoking point. Be careful, the oil should not catch fire, and let it cool for 2 minutes. Then add ground mustard seeds, ground fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder, turmeric powder, kalonji. If you add the ingredients while it's still hot, then it adds a nice flavor to the oil. Once the oil is warm, you can add the chopped chilies and mix it. Put everything in the jar and stir it well and add 1 lemon juice and salt in it. Cover with the lid and shake the ingredients well. Keep this jar in the sun to cure the pickle for a week. Your pickle is ready to eat. Remember to shake and mix the ingredients of the jar once daily. Serve it with main dish. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.